Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Namecheap email for your domain. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, ensure you have purchased a Namecheap domain. If you haven't done this yet, you can find a link in the description to guide you through the purchase process. Once you have your domain, head over to the Namecheap dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the private email section and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of your domains. Select the domain you want to create an email for by clicking Manage. Scroll down until you find the Create Mailbox button and click on it. If you need additional mailboxes, there is an option to purchase more. For the mailbox name, you can choose anything like Hello, Info, or Support. For example, I'll use Hello, resulting in an email address like hello@yourdomain.com. Next, set a password for your mailbox. You can either generate a secure password or create your own. After that, decide on the mailbox storage size. The default is 10 gigabytes, but you can adjust this based on your needs. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save Changes. You'll now see your newly created email address at the bottom of the page. To access your email, click on Open Webmail. A new tab will open where you can enter your username and password to log in. If you need to edit your email settings, such as changing the password or adjusting storage, you can do so from the same section. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let me know how it helped you. Thanks for watching.